mirar la luna, la 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 la.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and before we proceed, let's start first with an important disclaimer that this is not a financial advice and this is solely for entertainment purposes only. So without further ado, let's begin. To predict the future, they usually rely on opinions, experts, analysis, or polls. But there's another way to measure expectations by looking at what people are willing to commit value to. This is the concept behind prediction markets, and that's exactly what Forgate is built around. Forgate is a Web3 based platform that allows users to create and trade markets tied to real world outcomes. These outcomes can involve topics like cryptocurrency prices, financial trends, sports results, entertainment events, or other clearly defined scenarios. Instead of simply voting or guessing, participants interact with markets that reflect changing probabilities over time. At the technical level, Forgate runs on blockchain technology. The platform uses smart contracts, automated programs that execute rules without human intervention. This is to manage trades and to settle results. Because these contracts live on a blockchain, transactions are transparent and verifiable, reducing reliance on centralized control. One of Forgate's distinguishing features is that users aren't limited to just participating in markets. They can also create them. Market creators decide the event, define how outcomes are measured, and open the markets to others. In return, creators can create or earn a portion of the fees generated by activity in their markets. This approach connects prediction markets with the creator's economic, allowing individuals or communities to build markets around topics they understand best. Forgate typically uses stable coins such as USTC or USDT, often on the Solana network. Stable coins are designed to maintain a steady value relative to traditional currencies like the US dollar. While this can reduce extreme price swings, it does not eliminate risk. Participation in any prediction market will carry the possibility of loss. As users trade on Forgate, market prices shift. These price movements reflect collective expectations when an outcome price rises. It suggests increased confidence that the event will occur. In this way, each market becomes a continuously updated forecast shaped by many individual decisions rather than a single authority. It's also important to understand the limits of these platforms. That Forgate is a regulative and regulated financial exchange, nor it is a substitute for professional, financial, or legal advice. Its markets are generally described as informational or entertainment focused, and participation is intended for adults in regions where such platforms are permitted. Platforms like Forget exist because many believe prediction markets can capture collective intelligence more effectively than traditional forecasting tools. By combining incentives with open participation, they aim to reveal how groups think about uncertain futures. At the same time, these platforms raise questions about regulation, responsibility, and of course, access. Ultimately, Forget represents a broader shift happening online. Web3 platforms are experimenting with new ways to organize information, incentives, and participation. Rather than simply consuming content, users can shape systems directly. Whether Forget is viewed as a forecasting tool, a decentralized marketplace, or a social experiment, it highlights how technology is changing the way predictions. As you can see here guys, we are now at theforgate.com and we are now about right here, one top, one win, 100% chance lucky wheel. Spin to win iPhone 17 Pro, signed football, and more gifts. This event runs for 26 days, 9 hours, and 35 minutes, guys. So just rush, and if you want to sign up, here are the rules. So basically, the rules is that total trading volume For every $100 in trading volume, you will receive one entry into the lucky draw. So, seize these chance quickly. So, these are the rules, guys. Participants earn one spin per $100 of valid trading volume. And markets are not included, guys. Spins must be used before the event ends, and of course, unused spins will expire. Bonus rewards will be distributed in USDT in one working day. And then, lastly, would be the physical rewards will be distributed in an equivalent USDT within 7 working days after the event, guys. So it's important to read our terms and conditions right here. So first is Forgate reserves the right to modify these events' terms without prior notice. The final interpretation right of this event belongs to Forgate. If you have any questions, please contact our contact support department. And then lastly, Forgate reserves the right to disqualify any participant found engaging in dishonest or abusive behavior during the event, including bulk account registrations to obtain extra bonuses or any actions related to illegal, fraudulent, or harmful activities. So what are you waiting for, guys? If you want to have a chance to win iPhone 17 Pro, just go to our website forgate.com and then you'll just have to register, guys, to win yourself an iPhone 17 Pro.